Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new Lunar New Year codes on Dress to Impress and how you can redeem it. So we're just going to go again into one of these booths and then select this code, this button. You're going to firstly enter LNY 2025, redeem, and you get these outfits. And then there's another one, which is Happy New Year. Redeem it. You get this outfit too. I think it's called a Hanfu, and the other one was Cheongsam. I could be wrong. Like, my pronunciation isn't the best, but there's also Year of the Snake. Redeem. And you get these super cute accessories. And to find it, you're going to go to codes here. And you're just going to find the dress. Oh my gosh, super cute, and there are 3 toggles to it. And then there's also this one. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I love this. It's so cute. And you also get these bracelets and these accessories as well. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Happy Lunar New Year. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.